What are you advising your students? What would you advise students in general in terms of upskilling in this new world of AI?
Yeah, it's a tough question because it's kind of a moving target. I think most of the roadmap still applies, and it says to focus on sort of things that humans have a relative advantage in terms of interpersonal skills, emotional intelligence, long-term planning, creativity, especially like large-scale creativity, not like little details, but big picture things. I think one of the things that is going to be most important, especially in a world of agents, is actually learning to manage others. Not just manage other people, but increasingly managing agents. And that means being able to set goals, what are the questions you want to answer, and being able to verify whether people are executing them well. If you think of a task as having three parts to it, defining it, executing it, and verifying it, humans are especially good at the first and third, and we need to strengthen that, and those are skills that can be learned. Increasing machines are getting good at the middle part, executing, but that's only part of what needs to get done.
I see. We've got a bunch of developers here on the live stream, and developers spent their time coding. Any specific advice for developers in this new kind of world of AI, different skills that are going to be required?
Well, like Andrew was saying in his opening talk, I mean, I really think you want to lean in and take advantage of these tools. There are parts of the job that machines are doing better and better, but that only creates up more opportunities for other tasks, to understand what the customer problems are. In fact, that's one of the things where we continue to see the biggest gap is people who not only can code well, but also who can understand the customer problems well and define it well. And humans, I think we still have a comparative advantage in, you could say, asking the right questions. And he had a kernel of truth in that really the value comes from asking the right questions. And that's something that people can learn to do better.